Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to use Seedream 5.0 for free. Now in this video I'll show you 5 websites that you can actually use in order to get access to Seedream 5.0 for free. But of course it is limited and you need to sign in into every account or every website using your Google account. First we have Kai.ai. Once you sign in, you just have to click on Explore AI API. Then you have many options or many models that you can choose from. I'm gonna search for Seedream. Then here I have Seedream 5.0. Just click on try it. Then type here the prompt that you actually want. Choose the aspect ratio, choose the quality. You can even have here some examples. You can scroll down and see more and more details about the model itself. Now let's type our prompt here. Let's say I need a photo of a car on a beach. The car would have no brand icon and no numbers. So now let's click on run, and it will take a couple of seconds in order to generate me the image. Now here, as you can see, I got this result. You can now download it and view your full history if you would like. Here it tells you the generated time in. It was generated in 48.1 seconds. Now let's jump into the second website. The second website is lovart.ai. Lovart is actually one of the best APIs or AIs that you can use in order to access many models to generate images. Now click on your project on the top left side, of course after you sign in. And now what you should do is to simply click on more if you want to upload a file or a photo, just like so. Use these options. Then you will have to choose the agent. Click on this option, then click on image gen, then choose the option right here, this icon. Click on it. Then you have many options. Just choose Seedream 5. Then you will have to type here your prompt. Then click on generate. It will take also a couple of seconds in order to generate you the photo that you need. And here we have the result. It's very satisfying. You can use these photos in marketing. If you are a content creator, a web designer, a marketer, freelancer, these tools can help you a lot. Now let's go into the third website that you can actually use in order to get Seedream 5.0 for free. Next, we have artflow.ai. Just sign in into your account, then click on get started. Go to your workspace, click on your project, then it will open this interface to you. Just type here the prompt, then click on this option or this button or this dot right here, drag it like so, then leave it. Then you can click on image, then you can choose the model. Let's use Seedream 5.0 Lite, then choose the quality. Then after that, hit the run option. You can even use the number of generations. I will use only one, then click on run, just in order to save some of the credits or the currency that I actually use in order to generate these images. And now here we have it, the result. You can download it or preview it just like so. And now let's get into the fourth website. Now the fourth website is GeneSpark AI. Here you can see the prompt box. You can click on new and choose AI image. We'll show here this interface. Just click on this to choose the model. Then scroll down till you find here Seedream version 5. Just choose it. Then type here the prompt. Then hit the enter button. It will also take a couple of seconds in order to generate you the image that you need. Now this one is more satisfying. And finally, let's get into the last but not the least website that you can actually use in order to get access to Seedream version 5. Finally, we have this website, imagineart.ai. Just type imagine.art and it will show you here this interface. Go to image, then go to create image. It will redirect you to this page. Now go and click on this option right here in order to choose your model. And here you have multiple models. You can search for Seedream, and here we have Seedream version 5. Just choose it. Choose the image size, whether it's landscape, square, or portrait. I'm gonna use landscape and I will use only one variations. Prompt enhancer is turned on. The visibility is public. Now I will type here my prompt, then click on create. But here in my case, I have actually used it many times, so it says to me that I have to pay for the generation, but here you get the idea. You can use it just like so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.